We just straight piped the 2020 Camaro RS. We gotta fucking, hold up. You guys gotta see this. Keep it rolling. There it is. We have Joe spraying it down. We took off the muffler, took out the little resonator in the middle. Let's check it out, guys. It's 2.5-inch piping. This is where that little resonator was, right there. And then we removed the muffler right here. Joe welded it up nice and neat. Come and take a look at these welds, Joe. Clean welds. Hold on, don't. The camera's getting all black now. Look at those clean welds. Sick. If you guys go to your local exhaust shop and you don't have welds like that, tell them to get the hell out of here and then ship your car down to South Florida. G-Exhaust. Now franchising, by the way. Check out the links in the description below. All right, we're gonna crank it for you guys. We did leave the stock tips on there, by the way. Again, that's a good move, yo. Maybe you want to, maybe you don't. If in the future you want to do a little, a little something else, come back, you can throw on those G-Exhaust tips, carbon fiber, whatever you guys want. So, all right, let me know what you guys think. Ready, Jay?
Yeah.
Just keep it rolling, dog, the whole time. Mini popcorn. Again, guys, if this is too loud, you didn't have to do the resonator in the middle. Could have just went for the muffler delete in the back, but let me know what you think. All right, we're gonna get him to rip out of here. It's wet out here. I don't want it to show out a little bit too much, and then poor guy, fucking God forbid, he spins out. I'm gonna tell him. Oh, it's wet, dog. You have to fucking go wild. You know what I mean? Let's hope for the best. All right. Yep, that RS. Let's go. Yeah. On the raspy side. But hey, you like what you like, you know what I mean? As long as the customer leaves happy, it's up to him. Don't shit on anyone in the comments.